Welcome to Generator Industries. Thanks for taking the time to join us for this kitchen table conversation. The next few minutes, we're going to talk a little bit about standby generators. We'll discuss placement, sizing, installation, warranty, and maintenance. We love an educated customer, and we hope you'll find this information valuable as you decide on the best backup power system for your home or business. Pay attention to the very end. There's a special incentive code that you may want to write down. So let's jump right in. Power outages can be frustrating. They can be annoying. They can even be dangerous. In our area, most people realize that strong storms can cause extensive and extended power outages. But as it turns out, the grid is overloaded. It has been for many years, and there's a lot less redundancy, and we're going to see more and more power outages over time. If you're considering a standby generator, now may be a good time to get the process started. When the power goes out, everything changes. It's more than just an inconvenience in Texas. We rely on our heat and especially our air conditioning. We know of lots of customers who are tired of having to throw out everything in their fridge, and who wants ruined deer meat? When we install a standby generator, here's how it works. We're going to install an automatic transfer switch. It'll be connected to the electric meter, and when the power goes out, after just a few seconds, the generator will kick on. After another few seconds, the automatic transfer switch engages and your power is restored, but now you're on generator power. Once the power is restored, we keep you off the grid for a couple of minutes. That way, we can safely transfer you back to the grid, which reduces the chance of issues like slumps and surges. One way to summarize this is, the way a standby generator works is automatically. There's a couple different styles of generators. Most of the time around here, we're helping people install a managed whole home system, which means everything's going to work. There are small generators that can be set up for essential circuits, but these are not a common configuration, since we would still have to do nearly the same infrastructure work. Plus, nearly everyone around here wants to include their AC on their generator. We will always run through a short process called a load analysis to help figure out exactly what size is right for your property. One way or another, we're going to need about 10 pictures from around your house. Once we have those pictures, we'll either get you on the phone, or if you need us to come out to your house, we'll take the pictures for you. Let's take a deeper look at an air-cooled generator. We offer both Generac and Kohler generators, and in either case, they will provide nice clean power that will not harm your sets of electronics. We're going to set everything up for you so that it works automatically, but you may need to access the generator controls from time to time, and both Generac and Kohler generators have user-friendly control panels. We're going to set up your generator to run a weekly exercise on Monday at noon. That will provide you with extra peace of mind that your generator is ready, and it's a good idea to let your engine run once a week as well. Standby generators are enclosed in an all-aluminum shell and will look great and last great for a long time when maintained properly. Liquid-cooled generators are quite a bit quieter than an air-cooled generator, partly because the engine runs at half the RPM of an air-cooled generator. The units are a bit larger in size, and they do require a larger investment than an air-cooled generator. Liquid-cooled generators do offer larger engines and are duty rated for longer run times and will tend to last longer overall. They're a great choice for larger homes and businesses. As part of the planning process, we'll help you figure out the best placement for your generator. We have to abide by local municipal regulations such as property line offsets and height minimums, along with national plumbing, electrical, and fire safety codes. While we can't always place the generator at exactly the location you first imagined, we can offer a suitable location. We can also help blend your generator into your environment by offering a variety of color and camouflage options. Once we figure out where we're going to place your generator and what size is right for you, we're going to provide you with a turnkey price. Unlike some of our competitors, we will commit to the price that you're going to pay. A standard package would include the generator, properly sized automatic transfer switch or switches, a suitable concrete pad or metal stand, up to 20 feet of gas and 20 feet of electric, registration and permitting, comprehensive project management, startup and commissioning, and orientation. Any engine is going to require a bit of ongoing maintenance. We're going to recommend that you allow us to schedule 2 maintenance appointments each year. It's really important that we change your oil at the right time or after the right number of hours. We want enough hours that it's going to break it in well, and we don't want it to run too long before we change your oil. We're also going to recommend you allow us to revisit 2 times a year. We will run through an extensive checklist every visit. In this environment, it's common for oil to start absorbing moisture, and we're going to check it every time. If your oil has any moisture, we're going to change it out. That's just the best way to keep your generator in tip-top shape. Generac and Kohler both offer a maintenance application that shows when a generator runs an exercise and when it's powering your home. We offer monitoring plans that allow us to help monitor your generator as well. If your generator ever comes out of standby mode, we're going to know. And many times we can take corrective action without having to send a tech. Monitoring provides additional peace of mind for our customer, and our customers love it. We think you're going to love it too. Both Generac and Kohler offer standard and extended warranties. We will be able to discuss available extended warranties based on availability at the time of your site assessment. Believe it or not, it's a 32-step process to install a generator. We're going to handle every step of the process for you. We do use a professional project management software, and we have professional project managers on staff. We're going to take care of all the steps. All we ask is that you will allow us the opportunity to provide you with our estimated installation timeframe based on current product availability, grid provider approval timelines, permitting approvals, and internal resource constraints. We continue to grow our company, but we are careful to only provide top quality installation provided by dedicated crews who are experts in their respective trades. Sometimes weather gets in the way, and sometimes we can't finish as quickly as we originally hoped. We are confident you'd rather have your generator installed correctly so your generator can protect your property properly for years to come. We are going to need a little bit of help on the day of the electrical work. We're going to need you to call in your own electrical disconnect. We'll give you the instructions and we'll help you through the process. But we do need you to expect a 4-hour power outage on the day of the electrical work. We will have already filed the information with your grid provider, but they won't let us make that particular phone call. Also, if you do need an upgrade to your gas meter, then we just need you to answer their phone call on the day of the gas meter upgrade, because they're going to need to make sure someone is home that day. Other than that, we'll take care of everything else. So what's next? Well, if you'll click on the handouts button, you can download an info kit. Also, you'll find a link where you can submit your photos to us. We do suggest you submit your photos as soon as you can. We'll try to get you scheduled just as soon as possible. You could certainly call the office to schedule your one-on-one meeting and just allow us to confirm your appointment in advance and include all decision makers in the meeting if at all possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this intro video. When your design consultant asks you for your discount code, be sure to tell them, "Start me up." That's what we'll do. Your startup date will be here before you know it. And once your generator has been started up, you'll have the peace of mind of not having to worry about power outages anymore. While your neighbors are sweating or shivering or trying to cook all the food from their freezer, all you'll have to do is wait about 20 seconds and then enjoy your home. We hope that you would trust Generator Industries with your installation, maintenance, and service of your standby generator. We are Generator Industries, your light in the storm.